Have you ever wondered why people might be avoiding you? It's a tough question, but facing it head-on can lead to some amazing personal growth. Have your sit and pay attention, because, in this video, we are diving into 12 reasons why people avoid you, shocking truths and powerful tips to change. Trust me, you won't want to miss these insights. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. Alright, let's get into it. Reason number 1, poor hygiene. Neglecting personal hygiene can be seriously off-putting. According to a recent poll by CBS News Detroit, 47% of people say body odor and 41% say bad breath is their biggest social turnoff. It's not just about brushing your teeth and taking showers regularly, it's also about paying attention to details like clean clothes and grooming. Here are a few practical tips. Start your day with a shower, use deodorant, and make sure to brush and floss your teeth twice daily. Also, consider carrying mints or gum for fresh breath throughout the day. Reason number 2, negative attitude. Constant negativity can drive people away faster than you might think. No one likes to be around someone who is always complaining or seeing the worst in every situation. I used to struggle with this myself. What helped me was starting a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. It sounds simple, but it can shift your mindset from negative to positive. Reason number 3, lack of empathy. If you are not considering others' feelings, it's easy to come off as self-centered. Empathy is about understanding and sharing the feelings of others, and it's a skill you can develop. To build empathy, practice active listening. Pay full attention to the person speaking, nod, and give feedback. Avoid interrupting and make sure they feel heard and understood. Reason number 4, interrupting others. Speaking of interrupting, constantly cutting people off in conversations can be really rude. It shows a lack of respect and can make others feel undervalued. To improve, practice patience. Wait for the other person to finish speaking before you respond. If you find it hard, try counting to 3 in your head before jumping in. Reason number 5, talking too much about yourself. Let's talk about a habit many of us don't even realize we have, talking too much about ourselves. When we dominate conversations with personal stories, it can make others feel unimportant or ignored. It's a common issue, but one that can estrange people if not addressed. To balance conversations, try the 80-20 rule, aim to listen 80% of the time and speak only 20% of the time. Ask open-ended questions to show genuine interest in others. For example, instead of saying "I had a great weekend," ask "How was your weekend?" This small shift can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Reason number 6, negative body language. Our body language can convey unintended messages that push people away. For instance, crossing your arms or avoiding eye contact can make you seem closed off or uninterested. To adopt more positive and open body language, keep your posture relaxed and open, make eye contact, and smile. These simple changes can make you appear more approachable and friendly. Just before we continue, at Fahtel Growth Tips, we are dedicated to publishing transformative content that guides you to success and helps you grow in every aspect of life. Reason number 7, being unreliable. Being unreliable is another key reason why people might avoid you. Not keeping promises or being consistently late can damage your relationships. Reliability is crucial in building trust and respect. To improve your reliability, use tools like calendars and reminders to keep track of your commitments. Always aim to be punctual and follow through on your promises. It's all about building a reputation as someone others can depend on. Reason number 8, lack of boundaries. Overstepping personal boundaries is a surefire way to make others uncomfortable. Everyone has their own comfort zones, and respecting those is essential for healthy relationships. To respect personal space and set healthy boundaries, always ask for consent before crossing into someone's personal space or asking personal questions. For example, is it okay if I ask about? Shows that you respect their comfort levels. Reason number 9, being judgmental. Another behavior that can push people away is being overly critical or judgmental. When we are quick to judge, it can create a hostile environment and make others feel defensive or unaccepted. This kind of negativity can erode trust and respect. To practice acceptance and non-judgmental thinking, try to understand where others are coming from. Everyone has their own experiences and perspectives. Focus on listening and empathizing rather than judging. When you catch yourself being critical, pause and reframe your thoughts to be more positive and understanding. Reason number 10, low self-esteem. Low self-esteem is another factor that can affect your relationships and interactions. When you don't feel good about yourself, it can manifest in ways that push people away, like being overly self-critical or seeking constant validation. I struggled with low self-esteem for years. What helped me was setting small, achievable goals and celebrating those wins. Also, surrounding myself with supportive people and practicing self-care made a huge difference. Building self-confidence takes time. Start by acknowledging your strengths and achievements, no matter how small. Practice positive affirmations and take care of your physical and mental health. Reason number 11, inability to handle conflict. Handling conflict poorly is another reason people might avoid you. If you tend to avoid conflicts or react aggressively, it can strain your relationships and create a toxic environment. To resolve conflicts peacefully, focus on clear communication and active listening. Use I statements to express your feelings without blaming the other person. For example, say I feel hurt when, instead of you always. This approach reduces defensiveness and promotes understanding. Reason 12, lack of self-awareness. Finally, a lack of self-awareness can cause social issues. If you are not aware of how your behavior affects others, you might unintentionally push people away. Improving self-awareness starts with reflection. Take time to think about your actions and their impact on others. Seek feedback from trusted friends or colleagues and be open to constructive criticism. This will help you understand how you can improve and grow. And that's it, 12 reasons why people might avoid you and powerful tips to change these behaviors. Remember, personal growth is a journey and every small step counts. By implementing these tips, you'll notice a positive difference in your relationships and overall interactions. If you are ready to take your social skills to the next level, check out our previous video, How to Talk to Anyone. You will learn 12 proven tips to turn strangers into friends and build meaningful connections effortlessly. Click on the video on your screen now to start transforming your conversations or click on the first link in the description.